Hello and welcome back. It's Charles. Today we're going to be learning how we can steal a color grading from another picture you so much admire to apply on a very picture that you want to as well have the same color grading system of that picture you admire. If for instance you have a very picture that you so much like the color grading system and the pattern, and you also like that same color grading pattern to be applied on your picture without stressing yourself, there is actually a system you're going to capture that color grading or take that color grading pattern from that very picture to this picture you want to apply the same color grading system and pattern to. And this can be done, and it's possible in Affinity Photos. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to copy that color grading palette from that picture. So the first thing first, go to Swatches and then click on over here to the Swatches option and say create palette from image. So once you click on create palette from image, you click select image. So now you have to select that very particular image you want to copy that color palette from. So click on that very image and click on open. Good. But we'll really not be working with 5 pictures per se, we'll be working with only 3 pictures. So change this number figures here from 5 to 3. So whatever number is showing, make sure you change it from 5 to 3. Now click on preview. Good. So now it has automatically selected 3 most important colors from the picture. So click on create. As you can see, it has already created 3 colors from the palette. But actually these icons are too small, so let's change the icons to a very big icon. So click on the swatches icon again and go to appearance and say large. So now the icon for the color palette are now bigger. So now we will have to apply these colors on this very picture. So the first thing you're going to do is to click on the adjustment layer and select the gradient map adjustment layer. Now we'll be applying the 3 colors on the main tone, the brightness and the shadows. So we'll first click on the main tones, then click on the colors down here, then click on this eyedropper tool and select the darker part of the picture of the color. So once you do that, click back to this very icon that is showing the color you have selected. As you can see, it has applied. Go back again, select on this main tone, which is the brightness, then click on the colors again, click on your eyedropper tool and select the bright part of the color. Good. So let's click the middle. It has also applied. So you go to the last side, then you click on the colors again, click on the eyedropper tool and select the last color. Then you click on this same color icon over here to apply. You say OK. Now you exit from this dialog, and as you can see, it has not perfectly applied this gradient system on this picture. So we'll have to change the blending option. So you select and see the blending option that perfectly suits your picture. So the first thing we're going to do, we change this blending option. Me, I found overlay to be best suiting for my picture. So you can also check and see the one that is best suiting for your picture. So I select overlay, and I think overlay is perfectly okay for this. And as you can see, it has done a perfect job quite okay, but actually the face is not that too okay because it has over applied the color and the face is looking so bright too much. So we'll have to make some little adjustment. So the first thing you're going to do, you can also and as well reduce the opacity of this gradient option. So click on it to reduce the opacity a little bit. You see, so reduce the opacity a little bit. Good. This is perfectly okay and fine. Good. So another thing, we'll apply a curves adjustment layer at least to make the shadows more darker and brighten the brighter sides. So you click on this adjustment layer, then click on curves adjustment layer. Now you bring the brightness up a little bit, but make sure you don't really make it so bright, because if you over bring it up, it will take all the details of the picture, making the picture look very poor. So bring it up a little bit. Good. I think we're okay with this. So go to the dark part, which is the shadows, and bring it down. If you over bring it down, it's going to make the pictures not really to look good. So you bring it down a little. Good. Okay with that. That's fine. So you exit again from this dialog. So perfect. This is how you can easily copy a color grading system from another picture to a preferred picture you like to at least apply the same color grading system or pattern to. So let's see the after and before. So select the two adjustment layers, and then you deselect it. This was the before and this is the after. Now you can see you have easily copied the color grading system of that other picture to this very picture you want. So this is how you can easily do things in Affinity Photo. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button, click the notification bell, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you for watching.